red, first you have to blow up the balloon, obviously, and then don't have to leave any tail at all. Then, once you're done tying it, you make about an inch for the eye, and then put the balloon to the other part of the balloon, and then twist, and then put the nozzle hole through it, so it won't undo. And then do about 1.5 inches for the beak, and then put the beak, twist the beak, and then do about 2 inches for the part of the body, and then do about 2 inches for the other part of it. And then once you do that, twist the eyes if they aren't right, and then twist the beak if it isn't right either. And then you put this through. And then it's best if you put the tail through the body so that the other part won't break, won't pop, will stick. And then fold about 1 inch for one of the legs and for the other leg. Then if the tail's too long, you just do the quick break-off method. You basically, pretty long, you put your fingernail to the balloon and then hold it and then break it off. Then, there's your parrot. And if you like, you could put it on your shirt by, Noah, come here, by putting your shirt through the feet and your shirt through the feet, and then there, it looks like the parrot is on your arm. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe up here, and our soonest video will be right there.